Welcome to my channel. This is Anne Marie with the Laidback Mat. Join us for easy, fun yoga videos and live stream tutorial tailored for beginners, senior, and those with elements such as MS, FDS, or you just need a calming morning practice or gentle, low impact flow. We've got you covered. So subscribe, it's free, and stay in the loop. Be the first to know for simple, calming yoga session to start your day right or just to energize in midday. So take a look around. Yoga is our main course, but we also offer a variety of playlist sites, comedies, amateur ukulele jams, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Namaste.